Well, hello there, folks. As you can see, this is my driveway gate. And this right here is my controller box. This used to be a LiftMaster controller box, and I used to have a LiftMaster arm here. As you can see, I've replaced it, and I have a previous video on the replacement procedure and why I went with this particular aftermarket Vevor arm. What I ended up doing was putting all the electronics in here. That's also detailed in the other video. I just used this box because it's already on the wall, it's already wired up, it's a good box, there's no problems with it. So I used it for the weather protection. However, one problem that I have is with this particular Chinese arm, it comes with its own small, tiny remotes. And those remotes work on a proprietary frequency. So the problem that I have is previously when I had the LiftMaster, I could use my Homelink transmitters that are built into all three of my vehicles, my truck, my Audi, and my Volkswagen, my wife's car, all have the Homelink set up on the rear view mirror. Now I can't do that. So I started looking for a solution because I don't want to have keychain type remotes on the keys, because the keys are usually in a purse or in a pocket, because all these cars have push button start. And so this was, it's an inconvenience to have to pull up to the house and pull out the remotes just to open the gate. Plus those remotes don't work from very far away. As soon as you get on the driveway, they work because they're close range RF signals and not the same type of signal as the LiftMaster. So in doing some internet research, I came across this product. This is a LiftMaster 850 LM. It's an adapter, and basically what it does is it accepts Homelink. It accepts the transmitters, the typical black 3-button transmitters that come with most LiftMaster and Chamberlain garage door openers. And what it does is it then shoots out a signal over 2 wires that basically tell this controller in here for this particular arm to open, close, or stop. And it works absolutely fantastic. Plus, what's nice is you can disconnect the antenna here and you plug in your cable from the box, and so you can extend the antenna out here. So this is the brand new antenna that I just got through installing. So let's go ahead and open this box up and we'll walk through the procedure. Okay, so when you open up the box for the 850 LM, you get the antenna, you get the control box, you get some Velcro to Velcro it to whatever surface, and then you get the owner's manual. We're going to go ahead and walk through and get this thing hooked up. Okay, folks, so we've got this thing wired up. Let me go through and show you how I've wired this particular LiftMaster Homelink receiver up. So if you look right here, I've got my positive and negative wires. These come down to my controller where my charger plugs in. So you have this side right here which charges the battery, and this is the battery. The actuator arm works off of the two 12-volt batteries, so it gets 24 volts directly from the battery, and then this charger is plugged in here to recharge the battery as you use it. So what I did is I jumped 2 wires, these 2 wires right here, and I jumped them up to the positive and negative here to power this thing. And then my board has a relay connection here, which is open, close, and stop. So you click it once, it opens. You click it again, it closes. And if you click it while it's in the process of opening or closing, it completely stops the arm from moving. And so it's like a round robin. And so I've got that plugged up to here. These are basically relay connections. And so the way you do this is once you get it all plugged in, you hold down this yellow button and you'll get a yellow light. That's your programming light. Here's my controller. This is a controller that I'm about to program. So I select button number 1 and my yellow light is on. And as you can see, when I push it, the light goes off. That means it took the code. So now if I push this button, this gate should open. So let's see what happens. I'm going to push this button. And there you go. Gate is opening. So if I click it again, the gate will close. And then if I click it again, it will reverse direction. And if I didn't click it, it would open all the way, click it again, and it closes. And that's basically it. That's all there is to it. So I've now got this Homelink controller set up so I can use these Liftmaster and Chamberlain remotes. I've also got plugged in, as I mentioned earlier in the video, a smart home switch. This is an outdoor rated switch. And what I've got is I've got it connected up here to a contactor relay. These two wires go to the same spot. So basically what happens is if I hit the remote, this guy activates this SBC. And if I use my phone to go to the app for Fight Electronics, which I bought this from Costco, this is the smart switch. If I click that button, this activates this relay, which then in turn activates the open and close of the gate. So I can basically use it from my phone, from Homelink, as well as the remotes that came with the actual controller board. So I hope this helps. I know this is kind of hard to understand. This wiring looks like a spaghetti bowl. I'm going to clean this up right now. If you have any questions, if you need help understanding what's going on, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out to me, and I'll be more than glad to assist. It's all pretty straightforward, but like I said, I know this sounds like a lot, but you can get a generic controller, actuator arm and controller, and integrate it with Homelink and integrate it with a phone app. So you don't have to spend the $1,400 for Liftmaster. When they sell you this, you can basically tie it into any system, and you've got the same functionality. Good luck, guys. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share out this video. Hope this helps. Thank you.